Hey guys, so today I'll be taking a look at a web browser called Palemoon. So Palemoon is an open source web browser based off Firefox, and it is almost fully customizable. So they actually have tons of skins for this web browser. And I'm currently using a Mac OS X skin that I've downloaded from the Palemoon website. So just to show you guys, let me go back for a second. I didn't I didn't add any of these icons here. Automatically comes with the web browser. So you have all these shopping websites, you have all these social media websites and the email websites, and just many different types of sites here that are automatically, I guess, bookmarked. So anyway, let me show you guys how to get the skins that I'm talking about, or the skin that I have now. So this skin that I have now is called Xmoon, and it is a Mac OS X skin, as I've said before. And basically the way I got it is I go to the www.palemoon.org, and I would basically go over to hover over add-ons and click on themes. And within the themes there are tons of different, I think there are about 38 different skins as of now. And as you can see on the right side, there's previews. There's a little bit of a preview here. Now, in order to download and use any of these skins, you will need the Palemoon web browser, which can be downloaded on the Palemoon homepage website. So I go ahead and click on the Palemoon homepage website. Basically, I have a green link right here that says download Windows Web Installer, and I would click on that. I would save the file, whichever browser that you're using, save it to wherever. The best place would be desktop, probably, so that you know where it is. You save it. Once it's done, it's 782 kilobytes. Once it's done, you would basically go ahead and click on the Palemoon, and then you would just run through. You would obviously, that security check right there, you would just click yes, and you do either a quick install or advanced install. It's very simple. Just go click on next, next, next until you're done, and then you have the web browser. So let's go back to the web browser now. So now let's go ahead and check out some of the skins. And to do that, I would click on add-ons and then themes, and it would take me to all of these skins. So let's go ahead and check out darkness. So this is Xmoon. That's all the way on the bottom right here. It's Xmoon. And I'm going to go ahead and check out, let's go ahead and check out darkness. So in order for me to install that now, install darkness, I would click on install darkness version 1.5.0, and that would automatically download, and then I would just basically click on install now. Once it's installed, I would just click on restart, and it would automatically restart my web browser, and as you can see there, it has a nice dark skin to it. So I'm just going to show you one more skin just to give you guys an idea. So we have all these skins here. If you did like Chrome, if you were a Chrome fan, then they have a Chrome skin. If you wanted something more basic or something more simple or something just more retro style, then I guess Walnutty would be it. Or something very classic, I guess Tango Moon. Let's try Tango Moon. Kind of looks very cool, very clean. So let's go ahead and install it. And you can go ahead and look at the source code if you don't trust it or anything of that sort. But that's basically on their website. If you did want to use the very basic one that it comes with, then you can go ahead and just use that. One more skin I'm going to show you is Arrow Moon. I'm just going to do one more. Let's go to click on install now, restart the web browser, and that is Arrow Moon. So it's a very simple to use web browser, very basic, just like all the other web browsers. It seems like it's pretty fast. It uses the search engine DuckDuckGo, if you guys are familiar with that. I've heard of it. I've never really used it that much, DuckDuckGo. Mostly I use Google, just like everybody else out there. Now, you guys might be asking if there are any extensions for this web browser, and there are actually plenty of extensions. So if I go ahead and click on extensions here, they have almost all the main ones that you would use for Chrome. So that's they have the uBlock Origin, they've got the Twitter app, but they've got all these social media things here with just so many different extensions here. So this web browser also does have an incognito mode, just like Google Chrome. So that is the incognito mode. It's called private browsing. And let me just close that off here. And you also have a setup sync, so you can synchronize your account. So if you have a Pale Moon account, you can create bookmarks and then save them over to your Pale Moon account, just like Google Chrome. You do have the search engine here, which is DuckDuckGo. If you did want to change that, they have all these options right here. For some reason, there's no Google. So let's see if I can add another search engine. So yeah, so I think in order to get more search engines, I would click on this blue button right here, get more search engines, and then it would take me over to this website here, to the Pale Moon website. And let's see if they actually have the Google. So I'm going to type, oh, here we go. So here we go. So there is the Google, and I would just basically click on make this current search engine, and then I would click on add. And now that is my main search engine. Now if I wanted to switch it back to DuckDuckGo, I would just click this down arrow right here, if you guys can see that, and I can change it over to Bing, which nobody really uses, or I can switch it to Google, which a lot of people use, and then there's DuckDuckGo, which is the one that it comes with. So guys, I just wanted to give you a brief overview of this web browser. If you are planning on downloading it, then I will have a link to that in the description below. Anyway, if you did find this video helpful, please do give this video a thumbs up, and if you do want to see more content like this, subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you guys on the flip side.